Today I want to share with you something a little different. Instead of just talking reselling, I want to share with you the YouTube channels that are inspiring my life right now. Some of them help me make extra money. Some of them remind me just how good life after 60 can be. And others make me kind of want to pack a bag and travel. Let's talk about all of that. YouTube has kind of become one of my favorite parts of retirement. I sit down at the end of every day, I relax, I go visit my friends, I learn new things, and today I wanted to share that list of friends with you. I'm going to break it down into three categories. First is reselling and vintage collecting. The second is lifestyle, life over 60. And the third is travel. So first off, reselling. I can't start this list without first mentioning my favorite YouTuber, Stefany. She and I are friends. I have been asking her questions and we have been chatting for a few years now, and she just simply could not be more kind. And the best part about it, you will not believe the things that she picks up to sell and the prices she gets for them. So right off the bat, I want to make sure you first know about Stefany. Next up, Ching King. This channel focuses on strategy, and it's really interesting to watch and learn about reselling from he and his wife. I think you would really enjoy this channel as well. The next one is kind of new to me. It's Flipping High Grammy. I mentioned her in another video a few videos back. She just has a really great presence about her. She knows what she's talking about. She's been a reseller for many, many years. I just found her, and I think you would really learn a lot and enjoy listening to her as well. Justin Resells. There is so much information to gather from this channel. He does some brilliant videos on wonderful topics. I think that's one that you should add to your list. I have been following this next channel, Tata, for quite a while. She's done some really great series. She's around my age. She's younger than I am. And you just feel like you know her. She's really got some great content, reselling, decorating, purging, and reorganizing. Take a peek at her. And the last one in this category is Laura Caldwell. I bet a lot of you know about her, and if not, you should check her out. She has a brilliant eye and finds wonderful things and is a great, great teacher. Laura Caldwell. So the next category of channels I really, really enjoy watching is lifestyle content. Mostly what I watch is women over 50 or 60. Some of these may appeal to you and some may not, but they share their homes and their opinions and their ideas and their talents, and they teach you things. The first one up is Little Poet. Every Saturday night she does a video. I think she's been on YouTube for a really long time. She's got a very sweet little dog. Boy, it's every Saturday night, does she relax you? And you just learn something from her, and she really makes you feel like you're her friend. Along that same line is Little Boho Cottage, a younger woman who lives out in a cottage in the middle of the woods. She decorates, she thrifts, she also has a little dog, and just shows you a whole different way of living, gardening, and just a wonderful lifestyle channel. You may know Dr. Mary Clare. She talks all about health issues and menopause and premenopause, and she's just down to earth and so easy to listen to, so good to watch. Diane in Denmark. It's a lifestyle channel. It's positive, it's organization, it's tips. I think you would like her. The next two, Enhance the Season, and also Reflections on Life, are both along the same lines and topics. You will find such wisdom and such knowledge. And when you sit down at night, YouTube is your own TV, and it's just so wonderful to be able to pick topics that you will learn exactly what you need to and want to in this stage of our life. Silver and Solo. I came upon her when I was first starting out. I was just looking for, YouTubers over 50 or YouTubers over 60 is what I would um, search for. Maybe that's how you found me as well. But she lives alone, I believe, in Canada, and she's on her own and is making her way and is doing a great job with her channel. And she just talks about being confident and comfortable and silver and living a great lifestyle, silver and solo. White Cottage Company. It's a beautiful channel devoted to lifestyle and home and decor. That's one you truly need to check out. Jo Good, also known as the middle-aged Minx, shares her life in London. I think you would really enjoy watching her. She's just funny and honest. Also someone you really feel like you know. Several of you may have already discovered 60 and Me. That's a channel focused on women our age that are aging confidently and has a wealth of information on so many topics. I discovered this next one, Fabulous 50s, during COVID when I wanted to do some workouts from home. She's so good. She's got some stretching videos, just if you want to watch TV at night, watch a movie at night, and just sit on the floor and stretch. She does an excellent job with videos, exercise videos that you can do from home. Farmhouse on Boone. It's just slow living, decor, home aesthetic, simple. She has just such a beautiful channel. And last, Nanny and the Moose. Oh, she's just so lovely. And her family is so lovely. Again, you start to feel like these are your friends. And I don't know how it just sounds weird, but you go into these people's lives and you really start to learn about them and you really feel a connection and you share highs and lows with them. It's just such a lovely, lovely channel. So when I watch those lifestyle channels I just mentioned, they all run the same theme with me, that life doesn't need to slow down at 60. Just the opposite. It can open up so many different doors simply by watching these YouTube channels and learning and seeing what other people our age are doing. Nanny and the Moose, they are in their late 80s and still YouTubing. So if nothing else, YouTube has opened up a whole world for me and showed me how things are just beginning when you turn 60. And last, some travel channel ideas. I say that it maybe makes me want to travel, and I need to clarify that. I love when I'm at the destination. I love being there. I love everything about traveling when I'm there. I love planning the vacation. I love seeking out the best restaurants and the best things to visit. I have an Instagram account that I will link. I love taking pictures. That's called Hearts and Prayers. That one is, the name of it is because hearts, things I love, and prayers were churches. So way back when I started that photography Instagram account, I was just focused on churches and things I love. And now it's a little bit of everything. So I'll link that for you below. But I hate the process of getting there. I hate airports. I don't like being on the plane. I don't like checking your luggage overhead, your overhead bag. I don't like the lines. Sounding old, aren't I? But I love when I get there. So a couple of the channels I want to mention takes kind of a spin on what I like about travel. So I have discovered these walking tour channels, and I will pop in some screenshots of the ones that I follow. What that is you are taking a walk through the European cities, and of course it's not the same. You're not eating the food and drinking the wine and smelling the ocean, but you're there. And sometimes I will just sit in our porch and it's snowing out, and I am walking through some European cities. That's a wonderful way to still be able to explore without the cost and getting there. But it's not going to replace actually going to Italy, but it's not bad. One channel I follow is Julie in Italy. Oh, you will love watching her channel and seeing the sights through her eyes. Julie in Italy. And now, if you're going to be going, there are two channels that I would recommend. Travel Tips by Lori. She does a great job. I think she said her husband's a pilot, but she has some great ideas on traveling at any age, but I think she's younger than I am, but traveling as you age. And then last, The Theory of Simple. She gives you all sorts of ideas and ways that you can travel in comfort and in style, and things to learn and things to know. So those are my favorite newest channels. So the thing I love best about YouTube is you discover people who inspire you. They inspire you to maybe start a business when you're retired, to travel, to create a lovely home, to read more books, to watch more movies. There's something for everyone. And in focusing on YouTube, you're just going to learn a little bit more about yourself. Please leave a comment down below. What channels are you watching that have inspired you lately?